Hi, I'm Lisa Weinstein, and this beautiful single-family home in East Lincoln Park is ready to hit the market.
And I'm really excited to have the builder here today to do a walkthrough. Let's go meet Giacomo Caliendo of G Corp Development.
Giacomo, I love this home that you built. Can you tell me from a builder's perspective what's really special about this home?
Yeah, outside of the location in East Lincoln Park, the architecture is what really makes this home. The Arizona sandstone outside gives it that reddish look rather than limestone. So there's a really unique look and feel to the outside of the building.
You won an award.
We did. It was called Excellence in Preservation, where we were the first real estate project to win a preservation award for Landmark, and that was for preserving the landmark character of the neighborhood.
So now we're in the kitchen, and I know that my clients custom built this. Can you tell us about that?
So the kitchen layout of this particular row home is different. We really did this really Long Island.
Amazing.
The cabinets are all from Woodmode at the Merchandise Mart. We extended the cabinets all the way across here, which kind of has a nice flow into more of your casual family room for hanging out. The flooring is all custom as well. The clients had selected it themselves. So there's some really unique features that they did that differentiate this home.
Well, you're never going to want for cabinet space.
When it comes to the interior, we really did some neat things. It gave us this unique first floor where you walk in, you have these dramatic 14-foot ceilings, and then you step up to the dining room and kitchen level, and then the two floors above with bedrooms, and then there's outdoor space on the top. So architecturally, it was really just a unique project, and the fact that each row home is 4,000 square feet, it was an exciting project.
Well, it's gorgeous.
Thank you.
And we're ready to sell it.
All right.